Now this is the lower border. Okay, as you can see, the lower border is initially quite straight and later on forms this little curve as it continues down to form the inferior horn. This lower border anteriorly gives attachment to the conus elasticus. We've done this ligament earlier. But the rest of the lower border gives attachment to this beautiful muscle, the cricothyroid. What do you know? Just ask yourself. Cricothyroid. From what to what? From cricoid cartilage to thyroid cartilage. Very simple, somewhat obliquely placed muscle. From cricoid anteriorly to thyroid a little more posteriorly. So what is cricothyroid muscle? A muscle that takes origin from cricoid cartilage, with the fibers directed upwards and backwards, inserted into the lower border of thyroid cartilage. Very easy, right? So we ask ourselves, how does this act? How does it act? Okay, that's what it's all about, right? So remember, this muscle is called as the tuning fork of larynx. Why? Because, let's take a look. Now, this is a diagram which is the thyroid cartilage part of it is quite familiar to you. Rest of it is a little bit of difficulty. So, let's understand. This is your adenoid cartilage posteriorly, attached with the help of a vocal ligament to the thyroid cartilage. See here, this is your thyroid cartilage. To this posterior surface of thyroid cartilage, the arytenoid gets attached with the help of a vocal ligament that you're seeing on the screen. Now, this is your cricothyroid. When it contracts, what it does is, see, this is your thyroid cartilage. Okay, cricothyroid is attached to it here. When it contracts, it just pulls your thyroid forward. This is your thyroid, it just pulls it, tilts it forward in this manner. Please practice that. Okay, it's here, it's getting tilted forwards here. When it tilts forward, rest of the cartilages remain in their place. Arytenoid remains in its place. Okay, so your thyroid cartilage has moved forward. Now, the vocal ligament, therefore, is stretched. Posteriorly, the arytenoid cartilage refused to move. I will not move. I will stay in place. So, the thyroid, which has moved forwards, therefore results in a stretching of the vocal ligament. Okay? I don't know how many of you have played a guitar, but you need to have the string stretched to be able to create correct sound, isn't it? So, now our vocal ligament has got nicely stretched. And when you speak, you are able to produce the right kind of sound. That is why we say that our cricothyroid muscle is the tuning fork of larynx. When it contracts, it pulls the vocal ligament, which is responsible for production of variable types of sound. Okay, so the result of contraction of cricothyroid is increasing the distance between the arytenoid here and the posterior surface of thyroid cartilage, resulting in tension of the vocal cords and vocal ligament, which is the content of vocal cord. Okay, that's how your cricothyroid contracts, and that's how it acts as a tuning fork of your larynx. So if you're liking my lectures, do like and subscribe to my channel.